effect, there is no any other wrong with the bottle, because it's okay, it can be filled by the water, but we are throwing away, we are throw them to the waste, because if it uses after 50 times, there are some places there that the bacteria can be accumulated inside. So we cannot take this risk. Although it's very strong polycarbonate, we have to throw away the waste. And the hand, we don't use the hand with the polycarbonate with the hand because inside the hand part there are many bacteria can be accumulated inside the hand part. So we don't use, it is forbidden in Turkey to use the polycarbonate bottle with hand part.
Yes.